Good morning, everybody. Mike Vacchi from Princeton Trader here with your Thursday morning pre-market webcast. Okay, daily chart of the ES. If look, let's just lay it out here. If we're going to roll over and have a significant pullback, today is as important a day as it gets. We topped out at 1530 from the 1528 to 1530 sell level that I put out Monday and reiterated Tuesday. I put a target in 1510 that I thought we would hit by the end of the week. I really did not think we would hit it by the end of the day yesterday. So I really, really hope you guys took advantage of that call, and I hope everybody did well because I do this so that you guys. I do this so you guys can do well, and I really hope everybody took advantage of the call and had a really good day yesterday. Looking at today, let's zoom in one because this is important. The middle band here really needs to stay above price if the bulls are going to be able to push. Okay, so the middle band comes in, right? Call it 1508. So 1508 is going to be a pretty key level on a closing basis. I expect us to make a run over it during the course of trading today. I think we could run as high as 1514 half today, which is where the daily and 3-day pivots are locked up. Under no circumstances can the bears lose the 1516, 75, 1517 level. If it runs to that level, it's more likely than not that we go back through 1530. Because at that point, the dip buyers are in, the weak shorts start covering, and things start to domino. At that point, if you're a dip buyer, today's low is 1501. More dip buyers will come in during the course of the regular trading hours. They can't lose 1517. Can't do it. So the bears are trying to do something that they have not been able to do, I would argue, during the entire course of this move, which is follow through. Okay? I am still not ready to say that we are in a pullback. At least not a significant pullback. We're in a shallow pullback, which is what we talked about yesterday. We pulled back to the middle band. Okay, that's basically mean reversion for Bollinger Band traders, and that's great. You're starting to see the upper band start to curl. The only way it's going to stay curled is if the bears follow through. Remember when it curled here? Yeah, how did that end? No good, because they couldn't follow through. It curled on this price rejection, and then the bears went ahead and blew it. Now, what tells me the bears may be able to go ahead and do this now is that versus this day, we've already made a lower low relative to yesterday. So it's all about making lower lows. Just like during a ramp like this, it's all about making higher highs every day. Now, if you're a bear, you want to see lower lows come. I'm not ready to call a full-blown corrective pullback, though, until the bears close below 1477. That's the 50-day, okay? And that's going to take some doing because we have run so far that a 1477 move is a middle band punch, and I'm a buyer. I'll buy there for a move back to test the middle band. So this is going to be a process. It's going to take some time, and it's going to be very, very difficult for the bears to hold this after any kind of a higher low is made in this area, because you're going to see the money start to come back in. So the ball remains in the bulls' court on an intermediate to longer term basis. The ball is in the bears' court on a shorter intermediate term basis. But the bears have got to run with it, okay? And what you're seeing right now as I'm doing this is you're seeing the bulls trying to run it back up towards the middle band, back through the 08 to get to 14, to get to 17. Those are the three rungs they've got to jump through to get something done today. So that's where we are. Use stops, be hedged, be smart. Look, if you sold the 1528s to 1530s, okay, and you haven't taken some profits, I honestly don't know what you're doing. Okay? You've got to take profits. Are you in this to make money, or are you in this to, I don't even know what you're doing. If you sold the 28s to 30s, take some profits, have a runner going. If it's part of a swing short, fine. That ad should have been taken off for, I had my people take it off yesterday at the 15-12, so I didn't know we were going to break that far. We kind of bounced off the 10. I took it off on the 12s. But if it's part of a swing short, take that ad off, okay? In and out, run your business. Okay, everybody have a fantastic day. Mike Vacchi, Princeton Trader. I'll be back tomorrow morning with another webcast. Trade them well, everybody.